how to redeem Roblox codes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily redeem Roblox gift cards on your phone or a PC. So if you received a gift card like this, either through email or physical like this, you'll be able to redeem the gift card so that you get the Robux in your Roblox account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing you want to do is find your PIN. If you got an email, it'll be shown to you, but if you got a physical gift card like this, you just need to scratch off the back where it says PIN. Once you get your PIN to redeem your Roblox gift card in the app, open up the app, then select More, scroll down, and find and select Redeem. As you can see, we need to enter our code, and that's going to be the PIN on a physical gift card. So enter this PIN, select Redeem, and then it will add those Robux to your Roblox account. Now to redeem your gift card on a PC, all you need to do is go to roblox.com, log into your account, select Robux in the top menu, then scroll down, and at the bottom you'll see how do you redeem your gift card, select that, and then select the roblox.com/redeem. Check the description, I'll also have a direct link to this website, but all you need to do is enter the code, then just select redeem, and you'll see that the code was successfully redeemed and that those credits have been added to your account. So that's how you redeem a Roblox code. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.